I know what you
Good night นะคะทุกคน and we are here at Suvarnabhumi airport right now. It's a little bit delayed for check-in at the counter today because I don't know why. Hi, and this is my mommy. อันนี้คือแม่นะคะ Bro,
Hi.
can you say something in English, please?
Bro.
Sorry, pardon. Papa. Daddy, hello. Bye bye.
once was. I'm talking us, me and you and I. It's been a ride, I'm tired. Like Nick Cannon and Mariah. Been riding out, fueling fires again. What's this like the sixth time since we first met? When you call, I can't fight it. Something in the way you move, keep on drawing me in. Those lips I know so well, they excite me. Said I know I'm like. Been through. I know what you like. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the lights, that's right. I know that you. Oh, I ain't no fool. We been going at it for a minute too. Yeah. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting. I'm afraid it's too late. It's not that I don't trust you, I don't trust myself. I said patience is a must, boo. Things will turn out well.
ทุกคน everyone guys Sky family น่ารักไหม so cute oh my god
Turn out well. Lost count of the years since I've been here by your side, in and out through all these tears. We can do it again, it ain't no problem. Like a switch since we stay more than friends.
ยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่รายการไกลบ้าน แล้ววันนี้อยู่กับพวกเราฟาโรห์แชนแนล
Like a switch since we stay more than friends. I know you. Know my photo still hangs on your door, and I'll show you that there really ain't no forgetting anymore. I know what you've been through. I know what you like.